Want to show customers exactly how many items are left in stock, especially when the quantity is low to create urgency? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display an automatic only X left inventory message on your Shopify product page, without using an app or custom code. Step 1. Open the product template. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store Edit Theme. At the top of the theme editor, click Homepage, select Products, then choose Default Product. On the left-hand sidebar, under Product Information, click Add Block and select Inventory Status. You can drag the Inventory Status block to where you want it to appear, usually above the Buy Buttons block. Step 2. Set up the inventory status. In the Inventory Status settings, find Low Inventory Threshold. For example, set it to 10. This means the inventory message will appear when the available quantity reaches 10 or fewer items. Next, turn on Inventory Count. You should now see a message on the product page, such as 12 in stock or low stock. 12 left if I change the number in low inventory threshold to a number bigger than 12. For example, 13, the number will automatically update based on the product's inventory. Click Save. Step 3. Change the default message. Now, let's change low stock, 12 left to only 12 left. Click the three-dot menu next to the Save button, then select Edit Default Theme Content. In the Theme Content Editor, select Products. Find the Inventory section, then locate Inventory Low Stock Show Count. You'll see the default text, Low Stock, Quantity, Left. Replace it with Only, Quantity, Left. Make sure to keep Quantity, because Shopify uses it to automatically insert the current inventory count. Then click Save. Step 4. Check the result. Go back to your product page. The inventory message should now appear as Only 12 left, and when the inventory changes, the number will automatically update. Now your customers can instantly see when a product is running low, creating a little urgency that can encourage them to buy before it's gone. And the best part? It updates automatically as your inventory changes. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comments for more details.